Since the turn of the century, technology has rapidly reshaped our reality. What once seemed like distant science fiction is now part of our daily lives. Things like video calls, smart homes, and AI assistants were mere dreams a few decades ago. But what's next? Given how far we've come, I got curious about where we're headed, and I did a bit of digging. So today, let's take a peek into what life might look like in 2050. Nanotechnology. First, let's explore nanotechnology. If current trends continue, by 2050, we could see nanotechnology reaching new heights, impacting almost every aspect of our daily lives. One of the most exciting possibilities involves nanobots. Experts believe that in the future, these tiny robots might be embedded in our brains. With advancements in brain-computer interface technology, we may even see a point where the mind and computers become one. Imagine a world where gadgets like phones and calculators are no longer necessary because our minds are directly connected to the digital world. This could mean that common struggles, like mastering math or learning a new language, will become things of the past. But there are challenges too. As promising as this technology sounds, it also raises concerns. If nanotechnology really does allow for mind-computer integration, questions around privacy, data security, and mental health will become more pressing than ever. This is just one example of the world of 2050, and it's only the beginning. Now, let's look at another game-changing technology that's reshaping the future. Future of transportation. Transportation in 2050 will look dramatically different from what we know today. With rapid advancements in self-driving technology and renewable energy, the way we travel is set to become faster, safer, and more efficient than ever before. Let's start with self-driving cars. Companies like Tesla are already paving the way with autonomous vehicle technology, and by 2050, fully automated vehicles will likely be the norm. This shift will bring some exciting benefits. For one, self-driving cars could drastically reduce the number of traffic-related accidents. Imagine a world where cars communicate seamlessly with traffic control systems, allowing for smoother traffic flow and safer roads. But it's not just about safety. Self-driving technology could also free up a lot of our time. Without the need to drive, people will have the choice to relax or be productive during their commute, whether that means getting some extra work done or unwinding with a favorite show. This could significantly impact our lifestyles, especially for those who spend hours in traffic every week. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is already transforming the world, and by 2050, it's likely to be even more advanced. Experts predict that by 2050, AI may surpass the processing power of the human brain. This means AI could analyze data, learn, and adapt faster than any person could. There's even talk of a potential robo-apocalypse, though experts are working to ensure that AI is programmed with human values and ethical guidelines. As AI continues to develop, it will undoubtedly reshape the workforce. Some experts estimate that up to half of today's jobs could be automated by 2050. This would mean that many current roles may become obsolete, while new opportunities will arise in fields we can barely imagine now. AI-driven robots could handle repetitive tasks, freeing humans to focus on creative and strategic work. However, this shift will also require people to adapt by learning new skills and perhaps even changing career paths. By 2050, AI will likely play an integral role in everyday decisions and tasks. Imagine an AI-powered assistant that knows your preferences, schedules appointments, manages household needs, and even learns your emotional responses. AI-driven smart homes could make daily life easier and more efficient, leaving more time for us to focus on what matters most. In this new AI-powered world, we will be more interconnected and data-driven than ever. But as promising as this future sounds, it will be essential for us to carefully manage AI's growth to ensure that it benefits everyone. AI holds enormous potential, but it's up to us to ensure it's developed responsibly. Evolution of money and finance. The way we handle money has changed drastically over the past few decades, and by 2050, it's likely that cash as we know it will be a thing of the past. One of the biggest changes we can expect is a complete shift away from physical cash. With digital payments on the rise and cryptocurrency gaining traction, it's easy to see how physical money could become obsolete. By 2050, most transactions, from buying a coffee to paying for a home, could be entirely digital. With the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, financial systems will likely become more democratized and accessible. This could be a game changer, providing access to financial services for millions who currently have limited banking options. Additionally, AI will likely integrate with DeFi to manage investments, track spending habits, and even offer personalized financial advice in real time. By 2050, your home could handle your finances as smoothly as your phone handles notifications. Automated pantries, refrigerators, and other smart appliances will be able to track supply levels, recognize when items are running low, and even place orders directly from online stores. For instance, if your refrigerator detects that you're out of milk, it could place an order for a fresh carton without you lifting a finger. This system could also work with grocery subscriptions and personalized delivery schedules, ensuring you always have what you need on hand. And there you have it, a glimpse into what life might look like in 2050. While it's hard to predict exactly how these changes will play out, one thing is certain: technology will continue to shape and redefine our lives in ways we're only beginning to imagine. So, what do you think? Are you excited, curious, or maybe even a little nervous about the world of 2050? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey into the future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on more explorations like this.